Me nah back from no boy, no girl, nobody, and me nah apologize to no man.
Let's run that again.
Me nah back from no boy, no girl, nobody, and me nah apologize to no man.
Well. This is a comment section video, and where Gargan say as a real bad man in our back from no boy, no man, no girl. Oh. Anyways, let's see what our fellow Jamaicans have to say in the comment section. The first comment say, real bad man, with the fire emoji behind that. The original Dan Dada, real bad man, some laughing emoji. No, Ninja Man is not the real Dan Dada. Ninja Man is the real Dan Gorgon. And if you remember in our history days, they call him Pirate was Henry Morgan, me think. I guess Ninja take off the M and put on the G and call himself Gorgon. Morgan, Gorgon. Yeah, say my Dan Gorgon. Dan Morgan. Load up for the people in the back. Somebody else say real bad man. Real king of dancehall. Mr. Potter wants to see the commenter, cause Mr. Potter, every Ninja Man video, boss always say this is the real king of dancehall among some few other persons. Hey, I love Ninja Man still no. 22 baby mother, no apology. This man is my brother by DNA. I'm from Ghana. So Ninja Man are your brother, and you come from Ghana. I guess because Ninja Man black heritage. Wait there, we have to do ancestry DNA for Ninja to see which part he come from. I'm at free Ninja. Somebody said no apology. Ninja Man, no if you apologize. Yeah, bad man don't apologize. No, if you this, this lady said no. Ninja has eyes of a sweet little boy. You know, I go to the next video. From real bad man to internet TikTok bad man.
Suck your mother was strong as suck your mother. But nowadays, when a man says suck your mother, don't know the value. I go and see me, I never look on him. One day you tell a man suck your mother, you know, brother, you have to defend it. But suck your mother don't have value again. Just like Jamaican dollar. So when a man tell me suck my mother, I come like him and tell me say, see some Jamaican money. Pussy a US me spend. And pound me spend.
Listen me, Pastor. Well, to be honest, for real, SYM not really carry the same weight as back in the days. But still, I personally not tell nobody for SYM. And if you tell me for SYM, me just gonna laugh off of you. You think me gonna shoot you because you tell me for SYM? Brother, me suck my mother, but your mother suck me. And you will see it on your TV. Oh, besides, I did suck my mom. You did suck your mom too when you were younger. Unless your mother dash away. You did suck your mother. Anyways, Pastor say, you know, upon this SYM business. We're going to the comment section and see what Jamaicans have to say. Pastor funny still not. Pastor say SYM no value, have no value, just like a Jamaican dollar. Jaja, boy, Jamaican dollar take a hard hit left, right, and center. It's insulting, mate. Just like Jamaican dollar with a laughing emoji, same thing. All me own mother tell me, so why me care if you tell me? What? Your mother tell you for SYM? You're adopted. Somebody say me still not run a SYM joke. Me neither. Me not tell nobody if you do it. So wait there. If somebody tell you, Mr. Ellis, for SYM, you go defend it. You might end up in a grave, because if me tell somebody for SYM and then lick me or do something, that's the last person that gonna lick me. I go sitting there defend myself. If you physically harm me or anyone in my family in my presence, that's the last thing you're gonna do. A 9 night I keep, and the people then gonna come dance and jump in a tree like the last few videos them where sitting there. So don't physically harm anyone or physically touch anyone because them tell us to for SYM, you will lose your life. Tell them back for SYM, simple as that. Yeah man, anybody tell me for SYM, I don't care. But if I tell you to SYM, which I'm not gonna do, and you harm me or try to attack me, I'm gonna shoot you. Yeah. Anyways, like it no mean a thing again, not even feel away. Hey, me, you never feel no way to me from beginning, from your boy until now. Inflation and SYM is crazy. Inflation on SYM is crazy. Oh my gosh. Inflation on SYM. Somebody else say it again. Pastor, your B class. Pastor up, you know. It need a different currency. Well, tell me SYM in a US. I'm probably me feel away. Not in a Jamaican. Or tell me SYM in Spanish. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we got end the video. There's a short video. Hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. And remember, do me a favor, just share the video to at least one person in your contact. Yeah man. By doing that, you help me grow the channel. Now stay safe. God bless you.
Where say? Straight. Let me tell you. Me suck me mother, but your mother suck me. And the worst is that me step on your TV. Don't you know Ninja Man to hear this cheese? My father don't kill you already. Can't tell you that you feel good with the inner 70. What?